And we are back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a website called Gridulator to create grids, for example for web design in Photoshop. If we go to image and canvas size, we'll find our width in 8 in pixels. It's 960 in this example. You may want to copy that. Then open gridulator.com in a web browser and you can add the overall width and the number of columns that you want to have. The gutter width is adjusted according to the number of columns, so it's in steps of 6 as I typed in 6 columns. And we can see the gutter width here in the preview in relation to the column width, which would be 150 in this example. Let us use this one with a gutter width of 24. Simply click on make PNG and it will be downloaded. And now we have it here in my download folder. And I import it into Photoshop by dragging and dropping it. I press enter. If you want to resize it, press Ctrl T to transform it. And depending on the Photoshop version that you use, you might have to hold Shift to drag it upwards and downwards without changing the width. So in my version, which is currently the newest Photoshop version, I'll have to hold Shift for that and then press enter, and we can create a new layer. We can add these helping grid guidelines that we drag out of the rulers. If you can't see the rulers, press Ctrl R and you've got a pretty good template for web design. The website Gridulator is free and you will find a link to it in the description below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.